Hey everyone, I'm your host and welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a major incident that's gripped headlines and caused widespread concern, the recent collapse of a bridge in Baltimore. This isn't just news, it's a critical examination of an event that impacts lives, shakes up our sense of security and calls into question the state of our infrastructure. So let's dive in. First up, the facts. The bridge, a vital artery for the Baltimore community, unexpectedly gave way earlier this week. The immediate effects, chaos on the roads, significant delays, and more alarmingly, injuries among the commuters. It's a scene that no one wants to witness, and it begs the question, how did this happen? Now, I'm not just here to report on this. No, we're going deeper. We'll look into the bridge's history, its maintenance records, and any alerts that might have been issued before the disaster struck. It's crucial to understand if this was an accident waiting to happen. And we're not stopping at just the what and the how. We're looking at the why. Were there structural weaknesses overlooked? Was the maintenance inadequate? Or was it something else entirely? These questions aren't just academic, they're essential for preventing future disasters. The implications of this collapse are massive. Apart from the immediate disruptions and dangers, there's a long-term impact here. Trust in public safety is shaken. Residents are left wondering what other dangers might be lurking in plain sight. It's clear, thorough investigation and swift action are needed to restore confidence and ensure such a tragedy doesn't occur again. To wrap up, the collapse of the Baltimore Bridge is a wake-up call. It highlights the urgent need for comprehensive infrastructure assessments and updates. Safety must be the priority, and it's up to everyone, authorities, engineers, and the community, to demand and drive change. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you think reporting like this matters. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think should be the next step to prevent such incidents? And remember, subscribe for more in-depth coverage on this story and others. Stay informed, stay engaged. See you in the next video.